Welcome to this video where we explore the future of clickbank marketing with CBProAds. If you are a beginner in the world of affiliate marketing, this is the video for you. Let's start by understanding what Clickbank is. Clickbank is one of the largest and most popular affiliate marketing networks on the internet. It allows individuals to promote a variety of digital and physical products and earn a commission on each sale. Now that we have a basic idea of what Clickbank is, let's explore CBProAds. CBProAds is a powerful clickbank affiliate marketing tool that provides a range of features and benefits. It offers custom ad creation, image banners, and even product storefronts. So why should beginners use CBProAds? First, it's easy to use, and second, it's affordable. CBProAds provides a 7-day trial, and after that you can use it for a small monthly fee. It also saves you time and effort by taking care of all the technical and design aspects of affiliate marketing. That's all we have today about the future of clickbank marketing with CBProAds. We hope this video has provided you with enough information to get started with Clickbank and CBProAds. Good luck!